Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add tags to your posts. So click on dashboard. This will take you to your dashboard and click on posts. Here you should be able to see your post. Click the three dots next to post where you want to add your tags. Then click edit. And here click settings in the bottom corner. Scroll down until you see tags and select new tags. So let's say create work. This will be the first tag, so select it and then select another tag. Once you are done with your tags, press done. And if you are done creating and editing your document, just press update and then update now. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.